Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to show you a quick little project I've been working on. I think we're going to probably be calling this I EVO stadium truck. So, pretty much decided to run some stadium truck at least a little bit this winter. Had some spare parts laying around along with some new ones. So, basically, we put together an Evo style truck. It doesn't have the Type R shocks, front or rear, simply because we don't have shock towers that could take advantage of those yet. Um, could be something coming, you never know. But it's basically uses the Evo rear mounts and the actual buggy chassis. It's the same wheelbase as the stadium truck, so it works out well. Um, Otherwise, that's really all it is, just a buggy chassis with the truck arms on it, along with the turnbuckles and wheels and tires, and the pillar body mount set. So really, that's all there is to it. So if anybody, my stadium truck guys out there, want to convert to a newer style car, you can. All the parts are there. We should have them back in stock if we're out of certain things. Probably around Christmas time. So um, if you're interested in it, hit me up. I can help you out with part numbers. Um, a couple other things we're going to be working on. When I was putting this back together, I did notice uh, probably a lot of the oversteer condition that the trucks have. I know they like to run on carpet. They're great for that, but I don't run on carpet, at least not that often. So I'm always trying to tighten my truck up. So I did notice that the front camber links could be a little higher, or could have the option to be a little higher. So the camber plates off the buggy do not fit the truck front shock towers. So I'm going to be looking at making those. We'll see how that turns out. But otherwise, really everything else is all Evo, guys. The rear camber plate, it's not bolted on yet completely, but we're still working through a few things. I got to finish up before the race at just after Christmas. So otherwise, yeah. Hopefully it turns out. We're going to try and we'll do an update to this at some point. But yeah, pretty much the Evo buggy as a stadium truck. I'm hoping it's as good as at least what my buggy is right now. Other than maybe I could use a different driver. But anyway, thought we'd show you this a little project I've been working on the last couple weeks. That's really about it, guys. It's all PR parts, so which I think are still being, most of them are still being made. I'm not so sure about the short course and stadium truck in their previous versions. I haven't heard anything on a update to that yet, but we'll see how that goes. But anyway, thought you guys would like seeing this. If you need help with parts, just let us know. We'll get you taken care of. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.